What's going on, y'all? Welcome to another episode of Chowtime with Chow. I'm your host, Chow. All right, so I'm gonna go get some tacos because it's Taco Tuesday, and it is at one of my favorite food trucks. One of many because I love to eat. All right, let's go. All right, so the taco truck is called Taqueria El Asador. I probably slaughtered that first name, but All right, so I'm back. I got 6 tacos, 3 steak, and 3 beef tongue. There's 3 tacos. So they do 3 tacos for like $6.50, and after tax is like $7, so it's not too bad. There it is. Oh yeah, beef tongue. You'd be surprised how good beef tongue is, okay? And steak. All right, so they got this medium sauce, regular sauce, and super spicy sauce. So let's do regular. Let's do steak first. Pour some of that regular one in there. I'm gonna do one with the medium. And one with the super spicy. I heard this was super spicy. So that'd be last. All right. Start off with the mild steak. Cheers. Tacos are so favorable, delicious, good seasoning, good sauce, nice and tender meat. This was the medium one, the orange sauce. The spice level turned up. Whew, that's just medium. I'm gonna put a little lime on them. This one was super fire, super hot. All right, y'all. Delicious like always. One of my favorite food trucks. Good spice level, good, like I said, good meat, good flavors, all that good stuff. I'll put the description on the bottom of where to locate it, and go get you some tacos. Happy Taco Tuesday, y'all. Remember, it's always chow time.